If you're a car dealer attending auctions, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools to assess vehicles quickly and accurately. One of the most important tools in your arsenal is a reliable diagnostic scanner that can scan all vehicle systems, helping you discover any underlying issues before you bid on a car. When choosing the perfect diagnostic scanner, there are 5 key features you should look for. 1. Universal compatibility. Ensure that the scanner works on all vehicle makes, both domestic and imported, so you never miss out on potential opportunities. 2. Comprehensive system diagnostics. The scanner should be able to diagnose all vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, air conditioner, and more. This feature allows you to identify any potential issues quickly and accurately. 3. Offline functionality. Look for a scanner that works offline, so you don't need to be connected to the internet to scan a car. This ensures uninterrupted workflow, even in remote locations. 4. Choose a scanner that can save reports on the device or send them via email, allowing you to review the information later, compare reports from different vehicles, and share the data with colleagues or clients. 5. Fast scanning and detection. Opt for a scanner that can quickly detect a vehicle's make and model and run an all-system scan at once, providing comprehensive diagnostic results. If you're looking for a scanner that checks all these boxes and is also affordable, check out the YOUCANIC Full System Scanner. This affordable device is an excellent investment for any car dealer aiming to make informed decisions at car auctions. With the YOUCANIC Full System Scanner, you can confidently bid on vehicles at auctions, knowing that you've uncovered any hidden issues and made the best decision possible. Invest in the right diagnostic scanner and elevate your auction experience to new heights.